everybody, this is Leon the Realtor. Today I'm here with James. James is a mortgage lender. We work together at the broker in Kais, Fort Lauderdale. And I brought James over because he's such an extinguished professional, 37 years in the business, and I wanted him to share with me a little bit and with us about the mortgage rates at the moment and the different programs you have to offer. So James, I know a lot of people right now are struggling with buying a home. They're concerned about the high interest rates. They're not able to make the first down payment, especially first-time home buyers. Are there solutions for that?
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for the opportunity, Leon. There are some down payment assistance programs in Dade, Broward, Palm Beach County. Broward County, there's a breakdown by city how much down payment assistance they can actually give to first-time home buyers. And remember, a first-time home buyer is somebody who has not owned a home in the last 3 years. So if they owned a home 4 years ago, and then they've been renting for the last 4 years, they are technically considered a first-time home buyer and should be able to get approved for some down payment assistance.
So if they owned a home in the past, but it's past 3 years,
yes,
they can buy, they're again considered to be first-time home buyers.
That is correct, okay. Absolutely.
Very good. And what about, I deal with a lot of investors, especially foreign nationals, they're looking for money to lend. Mm-hmm. Are there solutions for them?
Yes, absolutely. Whether you're a U.S. citizen or a foreign national and you want to buy an income-producing property, we have debt service ratio loans, which basically says that as long as the rent covers the principal, interest, taxes, insurance, and any homeowners association or condo association fees, it's basically a no-income verification loan. It really sustains itself.
So as long as it's cash flows,
absolutely,
there's no issue with it.
That is correct.
And what is the down payment they're going to need to put?
It's either 25 or 30%, whether you're a U.S. citizen or a foreign national.
I understand. Okay. And I think it's time for the biggest question a lot of people are wondering about 2025, because we had such a big increase in interest rates and everybody are sitting, waiting. I want the interest rate to drop. I try to explain to them it's not going to happen, but maybe if they hear it from you, what's your input?
I get that question all the time, Leon, and I tell everybody the same thing. My crystal ball broke a long time ago, but if I look back at history and we see that the average 30-year fixed rate was in the high 6s, low 7s during that time period, average. Yes, we've had peaks and valleys from then. I think when I first started in the industry, mortgages were at 10.5 to 11.5%. Then we went through some different economic times and the rates came down, they went back up, and they came down again. In 2025, we're looking for a little bit of I would say a little bit of a relief from the interest rate, maybe from 1/4 to 0.5%. I don't think much more than that. I don't think we're going to see the 2.5% and the 3% like we did during the pandemic. I don't even think 4% or maybe even low 5s are on the horizon. But we're looking at all the different economic factors for 2025, and one of the ones that we take a look at is the unemployment rate and how does the Fed feel the economy is going. Once we see and get some data on that after Q1, maybe Q2, maybe we'll see some movement in a downward way as far as interest rates go, but I'm not expecting anything dramatic.
Because currently we have a pretty stable economy.
Yes,
it's actually a good sign.
Yes, it is a good sign, and the interest rates are what they are. They are what they traditionally are, and the way I look at it is, are rents going up? In some areas, rents are going up. So rents continue to increase, which is going to be not cost effective for those buyers to stay in a rental situation. It's time to rent and gain some wealth.
There's no point in actually waiting for the prices to drop or time the market, because most likely, we cannot predict the future, but most likely it's not going to happen.
Right.
It is what it is.
Best time to buy was 5 years ago.
Remember, real estate only appreciates over time, specifically in an area hot as ours, like Broward County, on average about 10% a year, I would say.
Anywhere from 8 to 10% appreciation.
Insane numbers, not like the rest of the country, which is usually 2 to 3%.
Yeah, they're at 3 and 4%. They're still looking at 2025. It should be a slight increase over that, but nothing monumental.
Wonderful. Awesome. Amazing information. James, I want to thank you
Thank
for
you,
dedicating
I appreciate
your time.
it. Thank
If
you.
you need help with your mortgage, of course, we work only with the best professionals in the business. As I stated before, James is a mortgage lender, 37 years in the game, knows everything, been through everything. So if you need me to make the connection, just give me a call. Thank you for your attention. Until the next time, take care.
Thank you. Awesome.